Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato. I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for watching another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for FXEmpire. So in this session, I'm going to talk about the wild move that we're seeing in Bitcoin, how we're managing our most recent swing trade, and what we're anticipating for the next few days in this market. So with that being said, let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, please check out greenbridgeinvesting.com. We offer swing trade signals by text, by email. We also have portfolio management ideas by email. And we have a chat room where we share insight and update our trades throughout each day across multiple markets. Okay, so that's greenbridgeinvesting.com. We also have a free chat room. Come on by and say hello. Now, let's get started here with Bitcoin. We had a swing trade idea that we sent out the Wednesday before. It was based on this pin bar right here, as you could see on the chart. The high of the pin bar is 18,654. The buy stop was placed at 18,880. I'm sorry, 18,680. And that trade was not active until Saturday on this candle here. You could see the high is 18,956. There were actually, so far for this month, there were 3 buy setups. There was one back in here, which never became active. So we canceled it. There was the one that I just showed you. And then there was one on Friday, okay, over here at the 18,200 area, which we weren't going to call because we had our orders in place based on this one. So you had 3 choices there. Either way, the trade is now in play, and our first target was reached today at 19,880. We wanted to reduce risk just below that 20K area in case it faked out again. So 1/3 of the position has been closed for a profit. Our second target is at 21,680, which we're very close to. So perhaps overnight it will reach, and then we will reduce our second target. We'll reduce our risk again for a second time, and we'll have 1/3 of the position for the remainder of the move. We're looking for this thing to reach 24K sometime over the next few days if this momentum can sustain itself. Now keep in mind, we use predetermined targets to capitalize on this herd mentality momentum when it appears in the market. If you're not in something like this, this is not the time to get in. You're going to see all kinds of hype and news and nonsense all over the place. Bitcoin's going to 50K, garbage, stuff like that. Okay, you don't chase these things. It's a bad habit. And if you make money with bad habits, eventually you will lose more money than you make. Now, the thing to do, if you're not in it, is to wait for a retrace. Where can this thing retrace to? At this point, the active supports are the 20K area. All right, the old resistance should act as a new support. So that would be this area here, somewhere in the low 20Ks. If that's cleared, then you're looking at the 18,500 area again. Now, can that get there this week? It's hard to believe, but you have to be open to anything. When moves go vertical like this, I mean, they can stay vertical, but the risk of retrace is increased and the risk is elevated, right? So you don't want to chase these. Now, what if you're in it? What do? And what if you don't want to use predetermined targets? Well, because predetermined targets are good to capitalize on the momentum while it's there, but sometimes it could limit the move. If it's a really big move, you're going to get out a little earlier and you may not like that. Okay, so another thing that you can do in these situations is you can use a manual trailing stop. So you would basically manually move your stop loss order 2 candles behind. Okay, so at this point, the closed, you want to go by the closed candles. This is an open candle. So once it's closed, you want to look at this candle here, right, which is the 3rd candle. Actually, no, it would be this candle. If you have a new candle that's open, it would be this candle. At the low is there basically 19,000. So you'd put your stop somewhere below there. The advantage to that is if the market keeps going at this rate of momentum, you can capture a broader move. The drawback is if there's a dramatic reversal, okay, you're going to miss, you're not going to get up that portion of the highs, and you're going to exit at a much lower price. There's no perfect way to do this. You have to basically choose the way that suits your personality the best, okay? There will be times when it'll reverse quickly and you'll get knocked out of it and you're like, oh, I could have had it at a higher price. Or, you know, there'll be times when it goes further. Keep something in mind. Very large, dramatic moves are not the common thing. So you want to go with what's more on the average, not unusual lottery ticket home run type of moves, okay? Although they happen occasionally. All right, so I'm going to leave you with that. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out. You can find me at greenbridgeinvesting.com. We have a free chat room there you can ask. My name is Mark Principato, Mark Pre-Markets. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you.